Stop sharing ako. Benchmark. Good question. The benchmark is the same as the other land cover projects. Yung overview, nandun siya.
Yan ba yung sir?
Sino yung nagpe-present?
Ako sir, si Roel sir, Roel.
Ah, okay. Sige, sige.
Tama ba to sir? Comments lumabas eh.
Kapag nagre-report ka ng neighbor, comments box talaga yung nalabas.
Yes sir. So anong, magsiselect na lang ako dito sir.
Pwede ka mag-type. Daanan ng eroplano. Guys, it's a pavement. Yung runway, Jessa Joaquin. Okay, Jessa Joaquin Airport runway. Runway is a pavement. But the roads in the airport itself, like service roads, they are driveways or long driveways. But the runway itself is a pavement. Are we clear, guys? Ruel,
Yes,
are
sir.
you okay? Okay na?
Yes sir, yes sir. Nagre-report
Okay.
na po. Thank you.
Pedestrian lanes on roads. Okay. Pedestrian lanes normally on the side of the road. Teka. I think there's an update for that. I'll clarify for a while. Okay. So clarification also, guys. Yung pedestrian lane na tumawid sa kalsada, di ba? Pedestrian lanes on roads, you mark it as an overlap. Okay? No, Renante Responte, motocross, no, you don't mark it as a road because it's a dirt road, dirt track. So no, we don't. Off-road racetrack. No, you don't track them as road. Giancarlo De Luna. Again, the classification for road, number 1, it has to be cemented or paved. 2, has clear boundary. Kel Ibala, just capture what you see for driveway. There's no attendance for this training session. Please notify your team lead. Red Baldomero, did you pass land cover? 1. Second, please notify your team lead also. Raven Covillades, we just did how to report a neighbor. Raven Covey leads. Yeah, I'd suggest you check on the training material. Okay, how to connect and overlap. Okay, for this one, let's check. Guys, when you're making road, I really don't see a road here. Okay, guys, this is not a clear classification of road.
Sir, di po naka-share screen.
Ay, sorry. Roger Lloyd Villarosa, we don't know if we can because it depends on the task that we will pull. But again, just review the training material. It's all there. Same with Princess Emma Dean. Sorry. Who's this?
Hi, ma'am. I have a question. Can you help me?
Sure.
Okay, can I share my screen?
Sure.
Thank you.
Yes, please share your screen.
I just want to ask this area. It is considered road or right way. It's kind of long, but it's compared to the next road. The next road is really small. This area. Hi, ma'am. Are you there?
That's a sidewalk.
Oh, this is a small is a sidewalk. This small arrow is a sidewalk.
What error? Sorry.
Do you see my screen? My mouse
Yeah,
is moving.
I can see your screen.
Yes. This kind of road is a sidewalk or driveway or road. It's kind of long.
That's a sidewalk. I would say that's a sidewalk.
Oh, that is sidewalk. Okay, thank you. And another question. This area is under the road. How can I fix this?
Does it go under the road?
Yes, it's go under the road.
It's giving you an overlap?
Just cut it and mark it overlap.
Can you do Control T?
Control D. I only press the Control D.
T for tango. T.
Control D.
Yeah. I'll type.
Yes. Control D.
error. Footprint
Yes.
overlap. Okay. Can you
Yes.
change that first to sidewalk?
Change it to sidewalk.
Yeah, change that first to sidewalk because it's a driveway.
Okay.
Okay, including the one under the bridge. So change it to sidewalk, please.
Okay, I change it
Okay.
to sidewalk.
Control T again. Same, shows the overlap.
Yes.
Okay, now I want you to select the sidewalk and the road at the same time.